Hey everybody, this is Nicole again. So we are going to try to unmold what I poured yesterday. So let's hope I don't have to struggle too badly. The hands today are really acting up. I've got a massive flare. So we're gonna start with this one. Remember, get you kind of a better look. This is the bottom of the tray. So this is what's gonna be, uh, I guess what you would consider the backside. So let's go ahead and take it out. Sorry about that. And so like I said, I just kind of pour stuff and then put color wherever I think it should go. I have an idea in my head and then see how it turns out. So this is how the tray turned out. I really like how it came out. What do you think? Really, really like that. The pusher for the white worked really well. So it came out great. Um, and then you can see how the pusher works, how it pushes the color down. And that's nothing that I did. That's all just what the color did as the resin cured. So now it's like rock hard. Okay, so now we're going to unmold the ashtray. And sorry if there's any like noise in the background. I live on a really noisy street. It's like one of the, I don't know, I swear, people think that it's like a racing road or whatever, and I kid you not, sometimes it sounds like there are 1,000 cars going on, and it's a residential road, but yeah, there's like, I don't know, it sounds like there's so many people going down the street. Okay, so we got the ashtray out. Let me just put the mold on the side here. So this is how the ashtray came out. This was the one that was just glitter. There was no mica powder, and I kind of just mixed everything up. I don't know what you think. There was just a little bit of the black, and then the pink chunky, and then of course the blue fine glitter. So I think that came out really great too. Okay, so now this is the lid to the jar. I'm leaving this for last because I think this is the one I'm going to struggle the most with. Some of the molds that you sometimes have to get some of the stuff out of are really hard to get out. And somebody who has fibromyalgia and your fingers swell up, it's really hard. So okay, so this is what the lid looks like. Just the glitter. That's it. Okay, so oops. This is the jar. Okay, so let's hope that this is not too much of a struggle. If not, you're gonna watch me struggle to get this dang thing out. All right, it's not coming out, so let me come back when I can get this out. 1 minute. Okay, so I kind of got it started here. I wanted to like do it as like a reveal here. Okay, so we did the purple and then like the black with the blue glitter, and that was the mica powder, if you remember. And so there was that like pearlescent look to it. So as you can see, this is the reason why it's like so hard for people like me to sometimes deal with molds that are like this. I have a couple of molds that are actually really like a lot harder. I have ones that are like busts and stuff, and it's really tough. So this is the jar. This is how it came out. That's inside, the side. So this is the lid, and this is how it comes out together. So I'll give you a look again. So this is the tray. And like I said, as you can see, the pusher, and it, like, I like how like the color kind of changes. None of this was me. This is just how the color mixed with the resin as it cured. So usually resin takes about 24 hours to cure. With Dual resin, the soft cure is about, I think it's like maybe 10 or 12 hours. So I could have pulled this out of the mold, but I didn't want to do that. Otherwise the resin the piece will like really bend, and then will just completely screw everything up. And then of course there's still sharp edges, and usually what I do is I take a sander and sand the edges down till they're smooth. And then I use a UV resin, which I'll put under like a UV light. Like if you get your nails done, it's the same like idea. You put it under a UV light, and then it makes everything really smooth and even. So that's the ashtray again. And then the jar. So what I was thinking is, I was thinking about giving these away, in like a little giveaway. I've got actually an unboxing that I'm going to be doing tomorrow. I got my mystery boxes in from Mary Maxim. Even though they pulled the names already, I just got my ones from my giveaway in the mail yesterday. I don't know why it took so long, because normally it doesn't take this long, but yeah, I just got it. I ordered them on the 30th, and I just got them in the mail today. I ordered 2. I took a quick peek, and that's the one thing about Mary Maxim, for those of you who have bought from them for their mystery boxes, is that they put in that plastic bag. That it's not really a mystery when you take a look at it in the end, because everything goes in like a clear plastic bag. So anyway, so what I was thinking is about giving one of these or all of these away. I haven't decided, but I don't know if this is I can, I would definitely finish them up, because each of these, so like this normally I would sell for $25. This here will probably go for about the same, or about $30 or $40 when I make them. And then this jar is retail when I pour them, about $50. A lot of work goes into these, and it takes a lot of resin. Usually it takes about 8 ounces or more of resin. So yeah, let me know what you think. And I'm definitely gonna give these away. And then I'm thinking maybe when I hit, I think right now I've got 22, 23 subscribers. And maybe I'll give these away, these 3, and maybe one of the mystery boxes together. After you take a look at them tomorrow, and then we can decide together what you think. I was thinking maybe when I hit 100, if we can, when I post the giveaway, if we can hit 100 or 200 subscribers, then I will give them away. So so that's what this is what my resin pour turned out to be, with the unmolding and everything. Please let me know in the comments what you think. I would really appreciate it. This is something that I really enjoy. It brings me a lot of pleasure. It's art therapy for me. This is something I use for self-care, to help with my mental health, and it allows me to step away from social media. And mainly because it kills the anxiety, because I have to concentrate on one thing. So in any case, if you could like and subscribe, comment for me, definitely subscribe. I would like to see the channel grow a little bit. Like I said in my introductory video, I'm not looking for like thousands of subscribers. I mean, I'd be happy with 1,000, but I'm not looking to be like, you know, thousands and thousands. I'm just looking for me to put out information, help people understand what it's like for somebody like me who has mental health issues, along with chronic illnesses, along with what I do for self-care and how important it is, along with sharing fun things like this, and then talking about yarn and crocheting and stuff like that. So until tomorrow when I do the unboxing, like and subscribe, and if you want to find me on Instagram, that information is in the description box. I've also got wish lists and stuff like that to help the channel keep growing. So I appreciate it, and I will talk to you later. Bye bye.